Hello, baby, I'll be able to. Obinim God's grace. One of them, I am free and I think I also bring the year so I am free. You can be a extra one time. No, you never joke with God. Don't joke with God. You wasn't with you. And more now to walk with my life. Then we will be him sometime back. Yakaya, Zaraman, what can say, Nayere, and you'll be me. And you may be a one yes. What I say. And that Florence Obinim, what is Zaraman out of a carrier? Obinim for say, you see, and Sada basically my legend. And to Obinim, the year as according them are all the cancer and was some.
Da be kura na mbeka one osibo zara my ho asem no da be empanifo no ma julim na da be for Michael man panifo na so panifo no
Papa cho means be se abosumi no no
be 2 months ni wo be 2 months ni
2 months
me pam cho empanifo no da be na mbeka mommy ne osibo zara my ho asem no be 2 months wo okay.Wana me kind of waha. Okay, na munyina mo waha.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oko yes oni ni koye video a. Obeka kire me kra me say hani me srew. Papa no oseboza na my I respect him. Ono so dressing nice. Na ho ya me feel a nice man. But me bu no. Me si obi a me ho ya me fa bia me timi nkasa nanim. Ono no ho ya me fa me bu ni pa but Commit make a video be ama osibo zara my but na ho ofenti and then the respect a moment na dress intimi ntwa video ma no sebi mo fa nche me mimi hu se ho nya fe ne nkoyi a make kama adwena kire ho ba ho ofra na ese ma yede mommy kura ba ye me ka chen se hani me serew osibo zara my what ya tome so kura wo Ghana ha sem ne ne yera yere ada timesrew video na wo person ne ye no kofo bebre wo ko fori mu nyina wo ho esa na na kwese wo support ne se de ode tome so na yere eno kre timesrew menya nye video no comedy kan hu ba ku bia ene ye TikTok na ni try I think so na ya sekura na ya se ne ko te mesrew say video pa na pese mu twa ye official video ene ne nye mesrew na me wo Florence Obinim no obia wayi nanim se wo Florence no sebi o kan ho asembone a ompe wasma wota wo no me matwe me ho ayede me pese be ya de be ye wo Florence ya se me de me ho akobọ wotamfo menim se mote ase a
yes
because I respect you. Me kind went you catch me so no the music video na no way to be hwese no way ifuro no nyame anim ni me yem hye me say eh Florence nim na mfo sem but baby a namfofo twetwe ne yede
come
nti we asa be bom na ne nkrofo take me no be di kotodwe pablo so fo chew Mr. Montemase na mean stay back. Mr. Mo. My nipa bone fo magana fo ni bi mo che. Papa ya maye nyina ye nhunu.
Obinim.
Do atem say den.
Ofre oba ware fa oni ni kunu da ho. Nese oba no ampekia. Say common sense should tell you say this time around or baby and you can change. And then it's like 8 years. Many 8 years. And ma me no musi suna. My wife, you be a my ex-wife Ayubia and who just no baby am in it now. Do you think say easy say o girlfriend na woni wo ho e be ba won chen wo fie na obehwe wo window na sebe wo na oba foforo da na onkasa na obekọ na obefrew akache wo say the see wo fie ho ne no e me bi see ho biem because boys wo fie ho and yes I will lose respect.
Sometimes someone say, have we lost our morality? Was someone who took a worry for who to me and two women for them would not be enough for them. Catch that for a man of soft mommy. You see, sometimes most of our pastors are mad abundant war. Who you open to say, Otta Burning, Dr. Williams, your friend said, sorry, Methodist for all American, most of them are mad abundant war. Because me say that say I did sorry. And me I'm a see what Canada. So I didn't want to know what now or kind of want some papa. All type of kind of this is what you didn't need for. Then I wouldn't be a buy it. I wouldn't under key. That's what we call morality or maturity. You are something. Someone to me ain't the time your home, you can't get up for me. The church is a home. It's whatever mommy Obinim my yellow. You shouldn't come to the public to come and disgrace her like that. And the first time me, promise you to me, there's a about the see what's now about you, and to be catch about because I will come on. Was so when you be the dad. I just said, what dream you plan one son or dream and son on you, but you didn't want that. Now you saw a sister you be in the marriage, you are not correct. Promise. Because sometimes your pride as a woman should reflect you. On your bathroom, on your bar of DNA and copy. I think you know what's now more of it so being run you down in the name of marriage. I don't condone to say divorce, but sometimes some divorces are very, very, very good in the life of some of our pastors. And we are saying, anything I make a me, the back open up supervisor for me to that. Because I could probably as of more. There's almost so about some pastor of Basia, no both them. And young one with Japan. And yet easy. There are very good ones that I can attest to it. You don't need a history. It's me was software. But a bit for one I could be branded for 17 on the first and you was here a bread, yes, please. And then I wonder will you hear some what power on the way in the home, upper Busiaho, upper now for I begin to say them, I won't catch away and I won't tie. Now, mammy, to be one so I said, or can I make I last with Pasia? What to make I say? Bishop Binera would be die. We seem to be very mad people. Anything sometimes time the night when I get Japan. No, yes, I Xposed. I like it. Because most of our so-called prophets and preachers, they are not preachers, they don't even know God. Only God that one of the components of the good marriage is humility and trust. Something you end up to our real. And let's say was some for one trust over here. What's over here for Zama, who's Zama, and no one can say, who can because of what you, yes, it will be a Tamibia was also with this way kind of money. And yes, sir, opening for your cameras in the swamp, all for us. Zama said, we influence that because we're telling you, and then when you don't know what number of the woman for. Let's be a bit simple and a bit mature. Who is our good in mass? Also good in one mass. Then we have to say, Obama Passia, you know why Obama Passia. And Obama Passia, why Obama Passia. It's a net which you never me give me here. It is a long year with my Jimmy, it's a coffee or Basa. It's a wood, you know, your Bama, now you food in Massia. First of all, so we say, and some about it, they say, one person will want to be first. Would you be anything out to talk about this wedding? And yes, sir, who will know who for about wedding? And then a friend is higher. One year my friends are playing here. I hear the new man say, well, then I catch up. And then, yeah, after blows and the bed down, and Boissy, Apaba. Yeah, people soon say seconds, but some and people were very stupidity in the name of religion.